Measures against COVID-19, new coronavirus, for first foods products. Fast food stores are implementing various measures against COVID-19, new coronavirus. Various measures such as wearing a mask, disinfecting fingers and furniture, wearing gloves, measuring the temperature of customers and employees, ventilation in the store, physical distancing, etc. should be taken to prevent it. At fast food stores, we take measures such as storing products in a closed sale case. It is said that the cause of COVID-19, new coronavirus, infection is that it enters the body from hands through food. The best method at first food stores is to completely seal products in film or paper individually. However, the packaging must be such that it can be opened and eaten without touching the product with your hands. A packaging film that can be opened widely. Safe. Do not touch the onigiri when opening the packaging. Customers who bought it will be pleased. It leads to the sales increase of the shop. Automatic mass production with the folding machine. Use a film that can be opened widely. Can be opened widely to make onigiri. Can be opened widely to make onigiri. Automatically package onigiri. Automatically package onigiri. Also produced in the specified design. Sample goods are delivered free of charge. Please contact us for more details.